Okay, so in today's video we're going to be talking about atoms. So atoms are the smallest unit of a chemical element which can exist independently. So I'm going to draw this structure here of an atom. In the center you have this atomic nucleus which normally contains protons and electrons. In this case I've just drawn a hydrogen atom, so there's only a proton there. That's the only exception to the rule, but generally you'll find protons and neutrons in the nucleus. There's an outer electron shell where we have electrons which are negatively charged three-dimensional structures which orbit around the nucleus, so they go around the nucleus. They follow this electron shell. So those are the three components of an atom. We have protons, neutrons, which are both in the atomic nucleus, and we have electrons. The protons give a positive charge, neutrons have no electrical charge, and we know that electrons give a negative charge. Now, two key terms that you need to know for atoms are the atomic number, that's the number of protons in an atom, and you need to know the mass number, so that's the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. So if you look at a periodic table and if you look at an element, you will see the atomic number which is on the top, the number of protons in an atom, and the mass number on the bottom, which will show the protons and the neutrons. So generally speaking, the protons in an element will always remain the same. However, the masses can be different, so the number of neutrons present may change. So an isotope of any element is one which has the same atomic number, of course, because the proton numbers doesn't change, but the mass number may be slightly different. So if you have an isotope of an element, that's what's going on. So the mass number is different because the number of neutrons is different. Some isotopes are important, especially the ones that are radioactive, and they have important uses which I won't go into this video, but isotopes of elements have different mass numbers. So if an atom loses an electron, it becomes a positive ion, because we know that electrons are negatively charged and it's just lost one electron, so therefore it becomes a positive ion. And an example of that is the loss of an electron from a hydrogen atom. We then have a positively charged hydrogen ion, which is written as H+. If the atom receives an electron, then we have a negative ion because it's received something that's negatively charged. So an example could be the chlorine atom. It receives an electron and it now becomes a negatively charged chloride ion, which is written as Cl-. Now, something to note is that more than one electron could be lost or gained. So you could have, for example, the loss of 2 electrons from calcium, and then you get Ca2+. So that's how ions are formed.